Welcome back to Mysteries Watch. Today, I'm at QVB, that's Queen Victoria's building. The whole world was preparing to celebrate Queen Victoria's Diamond Jubilee. Australia had a different way to express the love and built this amazing building to commemorate the same. Not only they built this amazing 5-story marketplace, but also they brought the black sculpture of Queen Victoria from Ireland. Let's have a quick look. That's it for today. Let me know that if you want a live video on the same,